Planning to migrate your SQL Server databases to Microsoft Azure? Wondering how to do it without losing data, breaking dependencies, or spending hours on manual scripts? Introducing SysTools SQL Server to Azure Database Migrator Tool. This powerful tool allows you to migrate all critical components, from tables, views, and stored procedures to functions, triggers, indexes, and more. Key features of the software: migrate complete database objects. Move everything you need, including tables, stored procedures, functions, views, triggers, indexes, rules, user-defined types, and more. Multiple export modes. The software offers multiple export modes: SQL Azure, scripts, and SQL on-premise. Schema and data options. Migrate schema only for structural transfer, or go with schema and data to move complete records along with the structure. Recover and migrate deleted records. Software can recover deleted records and migrate them directly to SQL Azure, ensuring no data is left behind. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools SQL to Azure Migrator Tool. Then click top search results with official SysTools website link. Once you're on the website, click on Download button. Once install the software, simply launch it. Once you open the software, you will be greeted with a clean, intuitive interface. The first step is to add your database files. Click Open to begin a migration project. Software offers two primary modes of SQL migration: online migration and offline migration. Online migration is used when both source and destination SQL servers are live and connected to the same network or accessible via credentials. Offline migration allows you to migrate using an MDF and NDF file, perfect for recovering databases from backups or corrupted systems. Let's start with the offline migration mode. For offline migration, select the MDF file by clicking Browse button. Select MDF file and click Open. You can also add corresponding NDF files if available. The software provides two powerful scanning modes: Quick Scan and Advanced Scan. Quick Scan is ideal for healthy or minimally damaged MDF files. It performs a fast analysis of the file structure and recovers data from database objects without deep-level repair operations. This mode is best used when you need to extract schema or data quickly from a file that is structurally intact or only lightly corrupted. Advanced Scan is used for severely corrupted or orphaned MDF files. It performs a deeper, more thorough scan to recover as much data as possible, including deleted records and heavily damaged database components. Auto Detect SQL Server File Version option. When you select this option, the software automatically reads the internal structure and metadata of the MDF file to identify the exact SQL Server version it was associated with. You can also select SQL version manually by uncheck this option. If checked Recover Deleted Objects, it will also recover objects that were deleted previously but still recoverable. Now, click OK. Software start the scan and recovery process. Depending on the level of corruption and the size of the database, the scan might take some time. During this process, software will check all database structures, including tables, stored procedures, views, functions, triggers, and more. Click Close button. If you want to save scan file, click Yes. Once the scan is complete, the tool will display a preview of the recovered data. Software will show the entire database of repaired MDF files such as tables, triggers, stored procedures, and views, etc. Once everything is configured, click Export. Software provides three export options: SQL Server Database, SQL Server Scripts, and in SQL Server Azure. Select the Azure SQL Server option. You need to fill the required fields to migrate your SQL data to Azure Database. Fill the server name of Azure SQL Server Database. The authentication mode is taken by default as SQL Server Authentication. After this, fill login credentials for SQL Server. Fill username and password of Azure SQL Server Database. Click on Connect to test if Azure SQL Server Database is connected successfully or not. The green tick indicates the server connection is established successfully. Select the destination database. Create new database or export to existing database. Select the database name which you want to migrate. Select the database objects to migrate in Azure SQL Database. For migrating, the software gives you an option to export the server with only schema or with schema and data. With only schema, if you select this option, only the structure of the tables, views, or stored procedures will be exported. With schema and data, if you choose this, it will export both the schema and the actual data. Now, click on the checkboxes of deleted objects. It will export objects that were deleted previously but are still recoverable, like tables or views that were dropped from the database. Export deleted records. If checked, it will export individual records that were deleted but are recoverable from the database's transaction logs or storage pages. Hit the Migrate button to begin the migration. The software will display the status of migration along with basic information and statistics. Once completed, the software displays a pop-up. Click OK. At this point, your data is fully recovered. Click Close. Hit Yes if you want to export the migration details in as CSV files. Simply browse the desired location to save the CSV report. Open and check the CSV file to get the information. And navigate the location where you saved recovered SQL Server database. And that's it. The database objects has been migrated successfully. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.